মক টেস্ট দিয়ে আপনার ভালো লেগেছে?
ভালোই তো লেগেছে, মানে বুঝতে পেরেছি আমার কোথায় কি সমস্যা, কোথায় আমার ফোকাস দিতে হবে। পরবর্তীতে আমার এগুলা ঠিক করতে হবে এগুলা। মানে
আচ্ছা।
আমি আমার নির্দিষ্ট অপশনটা বুঝতে পেরেছি যে আমার কোথায় ভুল।
So this is a speaking mock test of the International English Language Testing System taking place online, and the candidate is Dighi Khan, and the examiner is Tanjin Rahman. Uh, Good afternoon. My name is Tanjin Rahman. Would you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Halima Khanum Dighi. You may call me Dighi, it's my surname.
Okay. Can you tell me where are you from?
Basically, my hometown is Borishal Bhola, but for my current study purpose, I live in Dhaka.
Okay. So in this first part of the test, I would like to ask some questions about yourself. Let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
Basically, I am a student. I study at Northern University of Bangladesh. My major subject is English language and literature.
Okay, that's fine. Uh, let's talk about your dream job, right? So, Dighi, what was your dream job when you were young?
In my young age, I want to do lots of things, such as I want to become a journalist. It's my dream job. After a few days later, I decided to be a pilot. But now, at my adult age, I want to become uh, a, a part-time job at any private company.
Okay, so how did you change your mind about your dream?
uh, in my young age, after few people around me, I saw lots of people are talk about different types of topic about journalists. So from them I am inspired myself that I want to become a journalist also. But now, by the situation of era, women are not easy to be a journalist, so that's why I changed my mind.
Okay, and what kind of jobs are popular in your country?
Well, in my country, there are lots of jobs are available now by the advantage of technology, because nowadays people are able to job any private company or any company. So it is on. I want to. Recognized one thing that very common in my country, the job is private company job.
Okay, let's talk about concentrating, right? Diggy, did you always concentrate in class when you were younger?
Okay, it's really difficult question for me, as I am very humble person, as a friendly person also. Sometimes when the lecturer was very friendly, so I didn't concentrate all the time on the topic of the lecture at my young age. But sometimes with my friends, I become very concentrate at my study. It's because of my result purpose,
And
but
do
it's
you
not always.
and do you find it easy to concentrate when you are in a noisy place?
It's not easy for me, because at
Why?
noisy place I had lots of problems about my migration, because I suffer lots of problem about my brain from my childhood. So at that noisy place, I didn't concentrate at anything such as study or any special work.
Diggy, would you like to do a job that involves a lot of concentrating?
Okay. Yes, obviously.
Why?
If the job is suitable for me or best for me in my career, it's always I would definitely concentrate about this job, even though I want to do the work at my best, because it's maybe I will do for my future. So that's why.
That's the end of part one, right? So now I'm going to share my screen with you and I will give you a cue card with a topic and you will have to talk about it for next 2 minutes. Before that, you will get 1 minute for making notes. Here is a cue card. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people. Your 1 minute preparation time starts now. Time's up. Start speaking, please.
Okay, I would like to share a very common topic that I basically talk with my friends. The peoples I would like to mention, they are very close. It's not only my friends, they are my best friends, my childhood friends also. The topic is few days ago. I want to buy a phone. That's why I asked my friends that what the phone I want to I would buy. So they suggest me that you should buy iPhone series that newly launched. So some of my friends advised me you should buy a phone that is the second hand phone, because the newly launched phone are very highly priced and expensive. It is not easy to buy, and it is not a piece of cake for me also, because as I am a student, so it's really good advice also for me, because on this talk I know different types of knowledge about iPhone, because there are three friends in my group that they used iPhone, and they know better than me what to do about buying iPhone. So after giving the group discussion, they suggest me you should buy the iPhone from the store they know about. So few days later, I went to the shops, and I buy a second hand iPhone series. That the phone is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and with a cheap rate, and I feel very good and exciting also. And when I got the phone, it is look like over the moon, and I
Thank
definitely
you.
thanks to my.
Thank you. Thank you. As we have been talking about a talk that you gave to a group of people, so I'm going to ask you two or three more general questions related to this. Right, Diggy?
Okay.
Um, Diggy, do you think that public speaking skills are important for students?
Can you ask me the question again?
Sure. I said, do you think that public speaking skills are important for students?
Okay, in my perspective, it
Mhm.
is really important sometimes, because speaking skills not only build for the student but also the others people. If you speak like clearly or confidently, it helps to connect with the peoples very friendly, and it's also build the relationship more stronger.
Okay, and in your opinion, should teachers give more motivational talks to students?
In my opinion, I obviously say that teachers should be should more motivated to the student, because motivation not only need for the study but also for the life. So motivation has no limit, and teacher can play a vital role to the student, because only the teacher can motivate the student, and student can listen the teacher. So in that fact, yes, teacher should play this role very highly.
Okay, so what problems do people usually face when speaking in front of a group?
Oh, there are lots of problems that people face when they talk with the group of people, because on the group in the group different people has different opinion. Even some few days ago we joined a group speaking group. There are a 9 member in our group. Then we face lots of problems, such as when we talk on one topic, different people had different view, even talk together. So that's the problem I faced.
Okay, so how can schools or institutions help students improve their presentation skills?
Anyways, can you
Sure.
ask me
I
the question
said,
again?
how can schools or institutions help students improve their presentation skills?
Okay, school can play a very important role to develop the students' presentations, such as the teachers and the others public who are very well to do this presentation work really good. So it's not only the study purpose presentation, but also sometimes the real presentation, real life presentation. So in that case student, the schools and or the institutes can a vital play role, can do a good job, help the students at this work.
Okay, that's great. That's a great performance. And that's the end of the mock test. So, and thank you for taking today's speaking mock test with me. Overall, you did a decent job, and with some polishing, you can definitely move to band six or even six and a half. So, first of all, I would like to talk about your fluency was quite good. You could speak without long pauses, which is a positive sign, definitely. However, if you work a bit on your intonation, right, your speech will sound more natural and confident, Diki. So it sounds slightly flat in some places. Do you know what is called voice fluctuations? Yes.
High voice and low voice.
Yes. Actually, that's what I was talking about intonation, right? So your pronunciation was mostly clear. That's a good sign. No major issues there. So I would say that keep maintaining that. Now, let's talk about the areas that need improvement. Your vocabulary needs to be expanded, Dekhi. You used mostly common words, which limits your score, right? So to be higher, you must use more topic-based vocabulary and avoid repeating the same simple words. And another point is grammar. Right, I noticed many mistakes, especially in the cue card. And you were supposed to talk about the past, but you kept using present tense. Because of that, your cue card answer went off topic, which affects your score badly. So, and in part three, your answers were not always relevant. Sometimes you didn't fully answer the question because you didn't listen carefully. Make sure you understand the questions properly before answering. Dekhi. Are you getting me?
Ji.
And you
Yes.
also need to use more connectors and linking words. Dekhi. Without them, your answers sound less organized. So try using simple ones like actually, because of this, on the other hand, for example, for instance, right? Like this. So, what would be my suggestion? So, focus on grammar accuracy, especially tense uses, Digi, and practice cue curves with proper structure and time control. Improve your vocabulary with topic based words. and you have to use more connectors to organize your ideas. And the last thing that I would like to share, that is listen to the questions carefully, Digi, before answering. So overall, your performance was promising. With focus, practice, and correction, I guess reaching band 6.5 to 7 is absolutely possible for you. So keep working hard, and I guess you will see improvement very soon. Okay. এখন বলেন, মক টেস্ট দিয়ে কি বুঝলেন?
আমার কোথায় প্রোগ্রেস করতে হবে, আমার কোথায় কোথায় ভুল, প্লাস হচ্ছে আমি কতটুকু কনফিডেন্ট কিনা।
আচ্ছা, জি, এখন কি সে ভুলগুলো নিয়ে কাজ করবেন?
হ্যাঁ, ভোকাবুলারি আরো বাড়াইতে হবে, গ্রামার ঠিক করতে হবে, স্পেশালি টেন্স। দেন
হ্যাঁ,
হচ্ছে ওয়ার্ড গুলা বাড়াইতে হবে, কানেক্টরস। দেন
হ্যাঁ,
হচ্ছে কোশ্চেন কেয়ারফুলি
বুঝতে হবে,
বুঝতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ। আর অফ
এই
টপিকে কথা আমরা একটু কম বলবো। আমরা
Okay.
টপিকটাকে ডেভেলপ করে কথা বলবো, ঠিক আছে? পার্ট 1
ওকে।
হোক, কিউ কার্ড হোক, বা পার্ট 3 হোক, ঠিক আছে? মক টেস্ট দেওয়ার সময় কি
ওকে,
নার্ভাস ছিলেন?
একটু ছিলাম ফার্স্টে ফার্স্টে, পরে হচ্ছে ঠিক হয়ে গেছে আস্তে আস্তে।
পরে ঠিক হয়ে গেলো কিভাবে? অটোমেটিক? আচ্ছা, এর আগে মক টেস্ট দিয়েছেন অনলাইনে এভাবে কোথাও?
না, না,
দেননি?
না,
অফলাইন দিয়েছেন?
ফার্স্ট টাইম। অফলাইন দুই তিনটা দিয়েছি, একদম
অফলাইনে
টোটাল
3টা
মিলে।
দিয়েছেন?